Back again, peeps, with another video. It's your boy King James.
Yeah, boy, Rich Kid. Here with another video from the Jamaican Trio.
You don't know, papers. I can see on the title of the video. Yo, can win the match with this random unblockable move. You see me, people? Yo, this move is even done by the greatest of pros and
the mightiest of bots.
You see me themselves. And in order to execute this move, you have to have sheer will and perfection. Before doing this move, peeps, you have to calculate each time and each moment before executing this move to catch your opponent off guard. Many may know of this move,
but only few have mastered this ultimate technique.
Yes, my people. Continue watching the video and you will see what we are talking about. You don't know. Yo, let's kick it, Rich Kid. Fight! And it's your boy Rich Kid using Kombat in the building, people. To the first two jumpy. They said I get a free kick from day one, you know. See what I talk about? Yeah. And the bots video say you can unleash your full potential. Remember the unblockable move, you see it? The people them want to see it. Yeah man, don't break. So don't break. Back. All the foot, what you do? Hey yeah. Yo, here gas now. Watch out. Yo, don't jump it. Alright, wait. Alright, jump now. Alright, never mind. Alright. But never come out. So we need new controller now, people. Soon buy one. Let's go. People them say them want to see the unblockable, but not yet. Not yet. Hey! Yeah man, don't break, you know. Alright. Should I did it? Oh. Yeah, I wonder if she never did a while ago. Don't jump. Alright, yeah. No, never tell her to do that. Never tell her to do that, Punky. You can do that? You can do that with first? Good neutral look. Tell her that girl a freak in a dog and say she pop off her head gear. But you know, we'll see up tomorrow. What you do? Come to the first man. Hey, Chubby, wake up. Never mind. Yo, the girl are more freaking out there. Yo, Lanley is cool now. Hey, don't jump. Alright, don't break, please don't break. Please ask Christ, she got break. Grab. Oh. Just have to work on it, is it? We need them to see the unblockable. Oh, all them things we can't bother with fast enough, dog. Yeah man, shimmy her now. All if I for grab her. Hey. Duck. Yeah man. No, yeah man, we read it like a book. You see me? Mad thing. Yo, shall I do now? Wait for it. Alright. Don't kill her it. Alright. It's take down your life a little bit. Alright, one, just kill her and done. Can't bother. The first are persistent. Sorry no people.
Mercy? Mercy?
Yeah man, mercy. Watch out for fatal blows, please.
Unblockable! Come in. Alright, peeps. Lesson 101. Let them walk in. Let them think that advantage. Oh shit.
Nah man, you're going to dog. You never did it right, brother. See there, fail. Attempt number one, fail. Yeah man, hold on. Hey, time I run on, you know. Don't make him.
Got him!
There we go, people. You see it there?
There we go, people. 200 IQ right there, folks.
Yeah, don't know.
Hold this for me.
Yeah, man, the Unblockable. You see me?
You see that, folks? He was too arrogant, too eager.
Yeah, peeps, I see Unblockable. Now, to tell you, so the aim of the video is still for win every match with the Unblockable, is it?
Yeah, man, catch them and
Yeah,
whiff.
man. Yo, next opponent.
Oh, shit. Bro, you talk too slow, brother.
What I mean by me I talk too slow?
You said that after my press X. You want that be the EMI match? Win every match with
win
this?
every match with Fatal Blow. Sorry, the Unblockable.
Yeah, that girl hard fun.
Alright, hold on now. How am I doing? No! No, what you are doing?
Never did that block!
What do you mean never did that block? You never see him on that block? Never look like him there block? Hey. Yo, me tell you that girl a freak, you know, that go to pop off her head, so. Yo, but they love that move there, man. Yeah, don't break. Tell her, don't break, and she still get break, dog. Watch out. You see how we got a face online?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
People. Yeah, remember, say Kabal down too, not 100%, you know, dog. I don't want Jade. He's not a Jade.
Hey, Jade, did I connect that, you know?
What?
Yo.
Alright, those
Jade, grab connect card.
jump now. You tell her jump now, sis. Not you, Frost. No.
Why you blocking, man?
Remember, say another time you're unblockable, you know, dog. Alright, here we go.
Out that corner.
Ooh, God.
You're out in the
Yeah,
beer,
lose that much, yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit, never block that.
Alright. Watch out if he break.
Hey, she catch me out of my shot.
Yeah.
That bad still.
Yeah, can't break now. Watch out.
Oh shit.
Yo, can I say that
Hey,
girl freaky, you know?
I saw Frost bad, brother.
I know you know it's so bad, brother.
Hey, I saw Frost bad.
You ask me if I saw fast,
Hey,
but
the
you know
man,
it's fast,
the man,
brother.
dong X outside shot up.
Fun. I'm not surprised. I tell you, next opponent you should have listened. Yeah,
Hey.
I'm saying, brother, me not put that part in every day. You know?
Hey, Mr. Line up the Unblockable, you know. What me I do with?
Yo, you think me I put that part in every day? You must say,
What me I do? Where's the next opponent? I see him.
Next opponent.
Alright.
Alright,
Alright, bro. Well done.
Yo,
Good shit.
Yeah, man, good shit. You see it? Lucky I never Kombat League. Don't bother with the pew guns. Alright. Yeah, I'm Unblockable so far. There's many people. Line it up. Like a win with it. Yeah, man. Yeah, up. Don't break, you know. Oh, yeah, good girl. Watch out. How am I do?
I don't know.
Alright, trouble. Don't break. So don't break. You guys are good soul. Watch out. The man locked down for.
Yeah.
Alright, nice mix. I'm gonna jump soon, you know.
Yeah, man. God.
Hello?
Yeah, that's not going to chop me low. Come fight, brother.
Both are gonna pick Cassie. So when you see me for line up that Unblockable, is it?
I do everything for you, Unblockable. Don't worry yourself. Give them it. Make them feel like them win.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, give them everything.
Right way.
Oh shit.
Alright. I see the right way, you see? Never the wrong way. Alright. Here I go.
Give them everything.
Another way there. Yeah, man. You gotta press button. Yeah, go press button.
Alright, good shit.
Good. Trouble. Hey, girl, don't wake up. Hey, girl. What you do? I don't kill her yet. Alright, wait for it. Take one more touch. Alright.
Oh! I can't talk about people. You see it?
The Unblockable.
He make it. He do it.
Even though whenever we get it, but you see people, time to perfection. Alright. Yeah, we need to get that Unblockable in a dog. You can't make him do it, I wanna do it, you know. We need to win the match. Come in, rich kid. You can do it. Yeah. That is it. Alright, you are going. Alright. Alright, yeah. Alright. Bring him life down low, cause they don't use it already. You see me? Alright. Alright, don't kill him yet. Alright. You have to kill him already, brother? Yeah, you know, say a joke, kind of dog. You know, say a joke, kind of.
But that man, nah, play good, but man. I'm like that.
We could at least say the Unblockable too, you know. I guess it's fair enough. I guess we
shit people if
I guess we alone can't do the Unblockable guys. Other opponents can, you know. Okay. Yo.
Really, nigga?
You say me a talk about?
Yeah.
You say man I do?
Yeah, I see what I do, man. That's why you have to line up your Unblockable theme. But your life enough, man.
You think I lose in the time?
Look at the bots playing, guys. Oh my god, yo. Rich Kid learned a lot from the last video. And this guy just doing so much.
Alright, sit down.
Yo, watch.
In bed?
Oh, you never come out?
A 950 guys. No, I ain't brute me I do.
Oh, I know where you go.
But you wanna jump and grab him again.
Oh, see him there. Shit there.
People man a joke around.
See people, even Rich Kid is learning how to play like a bot and win like a bot.
Brother, me give man a chance for come take me. The man a stone,
no,
brother.
Team no say win already, dog. Next opponent.
You're going on YouTube.
Active.
Yes. Trouble? Yes.
Viper? Go easy upon the gun lad. The gun lad no want it. Watch out. Ooh!
Thank you!
Yo, this is gonna be a sweaty Iron Black match, bro. Trouble? Oh, yeah. I remember him love wake up on the fall. No, that should be an Unblockable. Random number 2. Yeah. Alright, I feel like that Iron Blocker might be. Yo, how would I don't to the reach from? Him get peace out from Jade.
This is Black people.
You don't know. Him not wake up. Yo, what a man can wake up. Alright, you know. Signification Unblockable in that match, isn't it? That's awesome. Unblockable! When you least expect it, it's the Unblockable. You want to use it for the match, still no, but Unblockable give a one time, dog, so I make it pass. You see me?
Viper, I got you, man.
Yo, I can't hear him, but him attack. Fight. I go youth. Alright, clipping wings. Don't slide. Oh shit! Oh, Viper Musa. I like it! Sweaty! That's sweaty from Viper. But gun lad now take no charge. Now take no charge. Let's go. I'm telling the man now wake up now like you now remember. I get too excited. I must that. You better beat him now. Oh, what that better?
I'm dead!
Yo, last minute comeback. Can you do it? Can you do it, Rich Kid? Yo, that man not take no program. The man militant over there. Yo, run them down too, you know? Alright, wake up. Hey!
I'm gonna mercy, bro. Yo,
that lag though. Yo, just jump. Is it? Tell it.
200 IQ.
Yeah.
200 IQ.
Him deserve it.
200 IQ, bro.
Yes, you see
You have
peeps.
200 IQ.
You see people, the unblockable. That man deserves more than 200 IQ. He's chosen. He's chosen. He's chosen. He's chosen amongst the greatest.
Bro, you are amongst the greatest in the IQ department. 200 IQ. You have my respects. You caught my backdash.
Yo, I love that. I love that. Yo, peeps, if you like the vid, don't forget to subscribe to the Jamaican Treat Out channel for more content. I don't know. Rich Kid, I have anything to say?
Watch out. Watch out, people.
Alright, peeps. Yo, you see it. Enough love.